Hi, it's Sylvia. I'm here to tell you a little bit about what to expect in my weekly live online yoga classes, especially for those of you who are new to doing yoga online at home on your own. So I know it can be a little bit daunting, but the lovely thing about any yoga practice done from your home is it's very safe, because ideally the whole time you're moving in a way that feels really good for your body. So any good teacher will give you guidelines that instruct you how to move in a way that's very safe, that feels really good. And then with time and practice, as you start to become a little more flexible and stronger, you'll begin to move with greater freedom, and you'll be able to try the more advanced or interesting or fun yoga poses that happen inevitably as part of our classes. The other lovely thing is the complete privacy. You can practice yoga in your pajamas if you wish. You can rest when you need to, and I strongly encourage that. And then you can move freely. It's kind of like the way that you would dance if nobody was watching. That's the way I encourage you to move in your yoga practice at home. Now, the lovely net side effect of all of this is it's therapeutic for your body and for your mind. Invariably, after every yoga class, you're going to feel really good. And then I give you recordings so you can go back for a week and watch chunks of the class or do all of the class again if you wish. The practice is yours. So in summary, show up on your yoga mat. You're going to be the boss of how your body moves. You're going to learn a lot about yourself, about your body and about your mind. I will guide you. You are not alone. There will be a lot of us there huffing and puffing on our own yoga mats in our own homes with a mutual encouragement of each other as we move. And then remember, you're going to enjoy it. You're going to feel amazing. It's going to be a self-care habit that you can really enforce in your life and come back to with commitment again and again and again. Who doesn't love that? So check out my website, sylviayoga.com, for a library of classes if you prefer pre-recorded, or the first button will bring you to Tuesday, Thursday, live online with me. Looking forward so much to seeing you there.